Discover 203 plus acres in Tennessee, featuring a luxury private retreat, championship sporting clays facility, event venue, and one of the most unique legacy estates in the Southeast. Hidden within the rolling hardwoods of Tennessee, this extraordinary property combines refined lodge-style living, world-class recreation, and remarkable income potential into a one-of-a-kind private sanctuary. The residence is uniquely equipped for independent living, with two 5,005-gallon rainwater collection systems featuring integrated filtration and purification tied directly into the home's plumbing. A substantial 40-kilowatt solar power system allows seamless off-grid operation while still maintaining full utility connectivity when desired. Beyond the private residence, the renowned Cross Creek Clays estate unfolds across approximately 203 acres. Developed as a personal retreat without compromise, the property features nearly 7,000 square feet of lodge and pro shop space, alongside a stunning 5,000 square foot event center complete with a commercial kitchen and an additional 3,000 square foot covered outdoor patio with pizza oven for entertaining and large gatherings. The sporting infrastructure is truly world-class, featuring 3 championship-level 16-station sporting clay courses, 2 impressive 40-foot elevated shooting towers, covered 5-stand fields, and 146 automated MEC target systems meeting NSCA standards. This exceptional facility has earned national recognition for hosting the Tennessee State Shoot, Southeast Regional Championship, and numerous charity events throughout the years. Surrounded by rolling hardwood forests and peaceful countryside scenery, the estate offers unmatched opportunities for recreation, entertaining, private retreats, or continued event operations. The combination of luxury hospitality, outdoor sporting excellence, and meaningful business potential makes this property unlike anything else currently available. This Tennessee legacy estate combines 203-plus acres, luxury lodge living, championship sporting facilities, event infrastructure, and incredible long-term investment potential into one truly unforgettable offering.